Okay, changing the bulbs in the Fiat 500. We're going to start off with the light above the vanity mirror, and you can see it there. That's with the original bulb. Looks a little bit yellow. So if we get in on the right hand side, we're going to remove the grey part. Like that. Okay, and then you can see inside it. Push this out like that. Okay, and then these are just held in by two springy bits of metal. So if we just pull it out. Okay, and then give the inside a quick clean. And then we're going to put the bulb in. Bulb is listed as being about 31mm or 32mm. I've seen it. This has come from Amazon. Okay. Pop that in there. Just try the switch and you can see that's much whiter. And there we go.